Hi guys, it's Lily. Welcome back. Today, we're going to one of my favorite places in Japan, a local onsen, or hot spring. If you've never been to one before, it can honestly feel a little intimidating. There are shoe lockers, wristbands, different baths, and suddenly everyone disappears behind a curtain. Don't worry though, today I'm taking you through the entire experience, step by step. You learn over 30 practical Japanese words and phrases that you'll actually use. So the next time you visit an onsen, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's go! Imagine you've been walking around Tokyo all day. Your feet hurt, your shoulders hurt, and then you finally arrive at the onsen. You confidently take one step inside, only to realize everyone has already stopped. Oh, shoes. Right. Rule number one, take your shoes off first. Here you can ask, ここで脱ぎますか? Do I take my shoes off here? The staff might say, はい、ここで脱ぎます. Yes, you take them off here. You'll see words like 靴, shoes, 靴のロッカー, shoe locker, 鍵, key. Okay, easy enough. Shoes in, locker locked. Mission 1 complete. We've survived the entrance. Let's see what's next. I walk over to the reception desk. Unlike restaurants where someone might shout a big "Irashaimase," the atmosphere here is much calmer. The receptionist simply smiles and says, はい、どうぞ. Hi, come on over. Now they'll ask what services you'd like today. Some people only come for a quick bath, but for me, I basically move in for half a day. You can ask for the following services. タオルを借りたいです. I'd like to rent a towel. 館内着もお願いします. I'd like the indoor wear too. 岩盤浴もお願いします. I'd like to use the ganban-yoku too. Ganban-yoku means hot stone spa. I'll show you what a magical place it is in a bit. If you already brought your own towel, just say, タオルは大丈夫です. I'm okay, I don't need a towel. 大丈夫です works for almost anything. 館内着は大丈夫です. I don't need the indoor wear. 岩盤浴は大丈夫です. I won't be using the 岩盤浴. One little phrase, 大丈夫です, is incredibly useful in Japanese. It politely means I'm okay, I'm good, or no thank you, depending on the situation. Then the staff hands you one last thing, a little bracelet. At first glance, it doesn't look very important. Trust me, this tiny thing controls your entire afternoon. It's called barcode bando, barcode wristband. They would probably tell you, お帰りの際にまとめてお支払いください. Please pay everything together when you leave. Think of this bracelet as your wallet. Hungry? Scan. Want a drink? Scan. Ice cream? Definitely scan. The dangerous part is you don't pay until you're leaving, so be careful what you scan. Let's head to the changing room next. Today I'll show you the women's side, but don't worry, the men's side works almost exactly the same. As soon as I step inside, there are rokka, or lockers, everywhere. This is the changing room, datsuijo, where you'll leave all your belongings before entering the bath. Here's a fun little thing you'll notice. Kaiju ge, weighing scale. A lot of Japanese people like weighing themselves before or after using the bath or sauna. 体重を測ります. I'm going to weigh myself. Personally, I pretend I didn't see the scale. One more important thing before we go in. Don't leave your small face towel, face towel, in the locker. Bring it with you. You use it to wipe away sweat, dry your face, or just carry it around between baths. You'll often see Japanese people folding it neatly and placing it on top of their heads while soaking. Does it actually keep your head cool? Maybe. Does it make you look like an onsen professional? Definitely. Oh, and one last thing. All clothes come off. No swimsuits, no swimming shorts. It feels a little strange for about 30 seconds. Then you realize everyone is minding their own business and just enjoying a relaxing bath. All right, small towel in hand, let's head inside. My first instinct is to jump straight in, but not so fast. You'll see the sign, 体を洗ってからお入りください. Please wash your body before entering the bath. This is one very important rule that every visitor should know. The hot spring isn't for cleaning your body. It's for relaxing in clean water together. So first, let's head to the shower area. 体を洗います. I wash my body. Here you'll see shampoo, conditioner, body soap, body soap. Most onsen facilities provide these for free. No need to bring your own unless you have a favorite brand. After washing thoroughly, rinse off all the soap, and we're finally ready. Take a deep breath, slowly step into the hot spring. This is exactly what my tired feet have been waiting for. Let's explore all the baths here. This is my favorite part. One thing I love about Japanese super onsen is that there isn't just one bath. As you walk around, you'll notice each pool has a different name and a different purpose. Uchiburo, indoor bath, the regular indoor hot spring. Rotenburo, outdoor bath, my personal favorite. You can relax outside while enjoying the fresh air. Tansanburo, carbonated bath. Tiny bubbles cover your skin, and many people say it feels extra relaxing. Jettobasu, jet bath. Powerful water jets massage your back and shoulders. Neiyu, lying bath. A shallow bath where you lie down and let the warm water gently flow over your body. It's so comfortable that you might accidentally fall asleep. Tsuboyu, pot bath. A small private tub that usually fits one person. If you like a little more privacy, this one's for you. Sauna, sauna. Mizuburo, cold bath, usually enjoyed after the sauna. And lastly, denkiburo, electric bath. A bath with a gentle electric current that stimulates your muscles. It feels a little strange at first, but many Japanese people swear by it for relieving muscle tension. The first time I saw electric bath, I thought, there's no way people voluntarily get into that. Turns out they do. And yes, I tried it. It feels like tiny little muscle contractions, not painful, just very surprising. Let's get changed into our indoor wear. 館内着に着替えます. I'll change into the indoor wear. After trying a few different baths, it's time for something many visitors don't even know exists. Ganban-yoku, a hot stone spa. Ganban-yokuに入ります. I'm going into the ganban-yoku. ここで休みます. I'm going to rest here. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend it. Instead of soaking in hot water, you relax on warm stone beds while your body slowly heats up. It's peaceful, quiet, and surprisingly relaxing. Remember the indoor wear and the big towel we rented at the front desk? Now it's finally time to use them. All right, I'm getting hungry. Let's see what else this place has to offer. It's more than just a hot spring. This is one of the biggest surprises for many first-time visitors. People think an onsen is just a place to take a bath. But modern Japanese super onsen are more like mini resorts. They have oshokuji dokoro, restaurant, manga corner, manga corner, kyuke space, relaxation area, massage, massage, massage chair, massage chair, game center, arcade, haircut, hair salon. They would tell you, "Go yukkuri dozo." Please relax and enjoy your time. Honestly, this is why I tell everyone not to rush. You could easily spend an entire day here. Take a bath, read some manga, have lunch, take another bath, maybe even a nap. Before we head home, I have to show you a few things that many Japanese people do after visiting the bath. The milk vending machine is part of the experience. Many people grab gyunyu, milk, kohi gyunyu, coffee milk, fruits gyunyu, fruit milk, or have a soft cream, soft serve ice cream. For me, I always have one ice cream. Yum. Alright, it's time to say goodbye to this wonderful place. If you're paying by credit card, you can say カードでお願いします. By card, please. Or if you're paying with cash, 現金でお願いします. Cash, please. And that's all the Japanese you need to know to enjoy a Japanese onsen. Before we finish, let's practice everything we've learned today. This time, you're Lily. I'll be the staff. When I pause, try saying the Japanese phrase that is highlighted. Ready? At the reception, you'd like to rent a towel and use the ganban-yoku. What would you say? はい、どうぞ。かしこまりました。こちらがタオルです。お帰りの際にまとめてお支払いください。Now it's time to check out. Simply hand your barcode wristband to the receptionist. Go! お預かりします。お会計は3200円です。Congratulations! You've just completed your very first Japanese onsen adventure. Now you not only know what to say, but you also feel much more confident about what to expect. I hope you'll get to experience one on your next trip. Let me know down in the comments if you have any onsen related experience or questions. I always love reading them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more Japanese you'll actually use. Until next time, mata ne!